Whoa! Where am I? Today we're popping into Jake's Incorporated in Aurora, Illinois. They're a large manufacturing plant in the Midwest that specializes in making fabricated and machined products like fuel tanks for locomotives. And today, we get to learn about lasers. First up, meet Mitch. Mitch is a process engineer. Mitch can take an image, upload it into a special software program, which will then create the exact roadmap for the laser cutter to follow, producing the final steel product. Everything starts with Mitch. Now that Mitch has done his part, the code he just created, also known as the roadmap for the laser cutter, gets sent down to the shop floor computer. Another part of the Jake's team is waiting for us there. Oh, hi there, Jake. Jake is the fabrication manager, and he comes from a long line of Jake greatness. Jake shared some very interesting facts with me about how all of this works.
A laser cutting machine.
Okay.
This thing cuts with laser, like in Star Wars. Takes the laser beam and cuts it through the steel.
Can you make a laser come out of your finger?
Look here, this is the computer just like at home. It draws it, puts it on the screen. The machine will be able to take this shape and put a laser through steel and just draw out and cut that item.
So we were upstairs with Mitch and we saw this program on his computer, and now it sent that code down here to the laser, and we're gonna actually get to see the Storipop logo get cut out. How cool is that?
It's cool.
One more stop before we play with lasers. We're gonna need some help with this ginormous piece of sheet metal. Brr, brr, brr. John to the rescue! With the help of a crane and the biggest suction cups I've ever seen in my life, this 16-gauge sheet metal gets carefully loaded onto a table that works like a conveyor belt, and then it makes its way into the laser cutting machine. Somebody hold my lightsaber, because it's time to take a look under the hood. The actual laser beam comes out through here. I asked if I could put my hand under it while the machine is not operational. Right now, I can feel cool air passing through it. Now, John and Alex are ready to turn this piece of steel into a masterpiece. Okay, guys, all systems ready, and laser beams, activate. Can you believe this laser cuts 12,000 millimeters per minute? That's pretty fast. This machine can even cut through 1 inch of steel. Right now, as the laser beam hits the surface of the steel, it's heating up so intensely that it's melting or completely vaporizing any area it comes in contact with. Then the gases get vacuumed up and filtered through the machine. And just like that, we have a finished product. Storipop has never looked so strong. These guys may get to play with lasers when they come into work, but today I uncovered their true superpowers. As world-class laser operators, they use a whole lot of math, science, and reading every single day. Not to mention having solid computer skills, being exceptionally precise at measuring, and understanding all of the different types of steel. One thing's for sure, it takes a great team of talented people to make everything that happens here possible. Thanks, Jake's Incorporated, for teaching us all about lasers.